Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of dancing. Dancing is an activity that involves dancing for entertainment or pleasure. For example, there will be folk music, singing, and dancing. American pronunciation. Dancing. Dancing. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Dancing. Say. Dancing. Dancing means activity of dancing for pleasure or dancing. Dancing. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The classes are in adult dancing, set dancing, Kaylee and waltzing. Now, repeat after me. The classes are in adult dancing, set dancing, Kaylee and waltzing. The second practice. Irish dancing is a folk dance, a part of our culture. Now, repeat after me. Irish dancing is a folk dance, a part of our culture. Visual representation of dancing. Dancing means dancing is an activity that involves dancing for entertainment or pleasure.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.